we've been looking forward to organizing Minitab Exchange. It's not only as a platform for us to know better about customer inputs on how they use Minitab and what improvement they would like to see in Minitab selection, but also as an avenue for us to introduce to them the latest technologies available in Minitab solutions.
Currently, we are using Minitab as an analysis tool to perform TOD and also capability study to understand where is our process have been drifted. Minitab Exchange event, we have learned a lot of information and also tools, especially the AI where Minitab is exploring of, and that could be very helpful for our future process improvement.
Minitab is a very simple approach and it also provide a very quick interpretation on the result.
You also can build their own dashboard without relying on the supplier and IT.
In one word, I would say it is a preventive tool for all the manufacturing process.
As partner of Minitab in Singapore and Malaysia, we are stepping up again, and I'm glad that we are now playing a bigger role in our customer journeys towards achieving manufacturing and quality excellence.
In the long term, would I integrate this product into one solution? If you want to touch your process or change your production line, you can simulate what's the utilization, what is the output, what is the queue time, or what about staffing schedule. So all this, we can get result from the simulate before you change the process. So it is going to save you tons of money and also energy as well. So try simulate all this.